How to change Twilio region. In this video, I'll show you how to change Twilio region. So to change your Twilio region, you need to migrate your application and resources to a different Twilio region using their console or API. So on Twilio, go ahead and head over to console. So click on console at the top right of your screen. And then on console, go ahead and locate the Explore Products button. So you usually find that at the bottom left of your screen. So click on it. And then from the Explore Products section, go ahead and select the Twilio product that you want to change the region for. So Twilio operates in isolated regions to support data residency, latency optimization, and disaster recovery. The main availables in here. So as you can see, for the messaging and voice products, you can actually change the region by clicking on this drop down menu. So in here, for the messaging, you can change this to Ireland by clicking on Ireland. Now, Ireland, also known as IE1, represents Dublin, Ireland. Now, for the voice products, you can actually change this to US, Australia, and Ireland. So for US 1, it would be Ashburn, Virginia on default. IE 1 is for Dublin, Ireland, and AU 1 is for Sydney, Australia. Each region is independent, meaning sources like phone numbers, VML apps, SIP domains created in one region are not accessible from another. So, if you want to change your region for the voice, you can simply select that region that you prefer. So for example, you want to change it to Australia. Simply select Australia, and then this page will reload. And at the left side, you'll be able to find AU1, also known as Australia, and you'll be able to access the voice product from Australia. And that is how you can basically change your Twilio region. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.